Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Capcut account. Whether you're looking to take a break from editing or simply want to remove your account permanently, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Capcut app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Once you're in the app, navigate to the account menu. You can usually find this by tapping on the profile icon in the top left. In the account menu, look for the option related to your account. It might be labeled as Manage Account. Within the Manage Account section, tap on Delete Account. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. To continue, you'll need to verify your account. So go ahead and tap on the Continue button. Next, choose the account associated with your Capcut and tap on Continue. Once the verification is complete, you'll need to confirm the deletion. Read through the information provided, and if you are sure, tap on the I still want to delete my account button. Finally, tap on Delete. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Capcut account. Your account and all associated data will be permanently removed from the platform. And there you have it. Deleting your Capcut account is a straightforward process that can be completed directly within the app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.